Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting the actual ingredients, go now. Make 3 water bottles and a brewing stand, then fuel the stand with blaze powder. You need consistent fuel. Craft 1 golden carrot using 1 carrot plus 8 gold nuggets. Convert ingots to nuggets if necessary. Also secure at least 1 nether wart. It's mandatory because you must create an awkward potion first. Once you have those items, move to your brewing stand and place the bottles. Don't delay, begin brewing immediately. You now perform the core brewing sequence. Put your 3 water bottles into the brewing stand and add 1 nether wart. Wait until each bottle becomes an awkward potion. Once done, swap the nether wart for the golden carrot and add it to the top slot. The stand will convert all awkward potions into night vision potions lasting 3 minutes. Make sure to keep blaze powder in the fuel slot. Without it, the stand won't run. This is the only valid way to produce night vision in Bedrock. Finish by deciding duration. To extend from 3 minutes to 8, add redstone dust to the brewed night vision potions. This increases utility for exploration. Store labeled stacks in chests and keep spare golden carrots and nether wart nearby. Inventory management speeds repeat runs. If something goes wrong, check 3 things. Did you use a golden carrot, not raw gold? Was the nether wart brewed first into awkward potions? And is there blaze powder in the fuel slot? Correct those and rebrew.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.